Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce training class. So in last video we learned about the Lightning app, like how we can create our own custom Lightning app, and uh, uh, today I'm gonna tell you how we can create custom page in Salesforce. So we can create a app page, record page and home page using Lightning app builder. We can manage our application using Lightning app builders. So in today video I'll discuss what is Lightning app builder, and when and why we use the Lightning app builder, as well as how we can create the pages using the Lightning app builder. So first of all, what is Lightning app builder? So Lightning app builder is a point and click tool to create a single page application for Salesforce and Lightning experience, Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience. So it's a point and click tool that makes our work easy. It's make easy to create custom page for the Salesforce mobile and Lightning experience. So Lightning app builder giving the user what they need all in one place. Whenever we create Lightning app, we need to manage our pages, so in that case we go for the app builder, and we can update the app's branding, navigations, options, and manage the Lightning pages that assign to the app, all in the Lightning app builder. So in short, we can say Lightning app builder is one of the best feature in Lightning, because it gives admins the power to configure the Salesforce UI using click, and we don't have need use the coding over here. So you can see here on page, this is Lightning app builder. You can see here is the name Lightning app builder, and this is header section, this is component section, and this is canvas. From here we can this is property pane, and and from here we can redo, undo, whatever. When we working on the canvas, we can use this tool. So this is a toolbar. So let's see how we can use the Lightning app builder in Salesforce. Okay, so for now I am in my org, and here you can see I am on account objects. I'm just going to open any one of the record, and here you can see this is detail page, means record page, and we can edit this page using Lightning app builder. So we can use Lightning app builder into the Salesforce by two ways. First of all, we can directly go to the Lightning app builder on clicking edit page, and otherwise we have go to the setup, and from setup we have to find app builder, Lightning app builder. So here is the Lightning app builder. Just click on this, and this is Lightning app builder. And if you have created any page over here, then it will show here. Otherwise you can create your own pages from here. So for clicking the page, we have hit the new button. So I'll talk about this later. App page, home page, record page means when we create new page, then we will talk about this. For now, I'm just going directly from here to the Lightning app builder. So here you can see the same UI which you saw in the image. This is this image is this UI is same. So let's talk about this. So take a short tour of Lightning app builder. Okay, so first of all, we talking about header. So here you can see this blue line is header, and this telling about like I am in Lightning App Builder. This is back button, so we can go to the previous page, and from here we can see the last 10 modified pages. And you can see this account record page, so it's showing the name of the page, so it's a account record page. So in this section, showing the name of the page, and in right section you can see this is about the help. Means if you want to check any article or need any tips, so you can go to the resources from here. And let's talk about the toolbar. So this is the toolbar. So from here you can see you can redo, undo, cut, copy, paste. So whenever we work on the canvas means here. So whenever we work on the canvas, and see, when I'm clicking on any of the components, and then it's activated. So whenever we now it's off. So whenever we work on canvas, so we can use the toolbar to do undo, redo, cut, copy and paste. So now next, this is component. So here you can see the components, and we have three type of components, like standard components, custom component, and third party components on app actions. So here you can see list of standard components, and it's showing we have 36 standard components. And if we check here, for now I don't have any custom components, so it's not showing here. But whenever we create any LWC component or Aura components, so that component will be shown here. And last, it's about the packages. So this is about the components. We can search component from here, like if you want to search report, so you can search from here. And if we are talking about this setting button, so we can refresh the component from here. So we can refresh these components from here. And for form factor, so we have two option here: always show icon and show icon on over. So you can see here you can see the changes here. See, now it's not showing the icon, but when I click on always show icon, so it's showing the icon always. But when I'm selecting the show icons on mouse over, so when we move our mouse on any of the component, then it will showing the icon. And from here we can know about like this component available for desktop and mobile both. So from here we can also check this. You can see here we have two type of icons. For first one showing like for desktop and mobile app both, and this is just showing for the desktop only. So from here we can check these things too. And now let's talk about this section. So this is the main section, canvas, where we do all the magical things. Yeah, we can add the component here. We can remove component from the canvas. So all the things we will do in the Lightning App Builder. We will do from the canvas. And here it's this is the header section, and this is the reason. So whenever we creating any page using the app builder, it's provide us templates. So we will talk about the template when we create a new page. So we have some templates, so that we can divide our page into different regions. And this is so we talk about the canvas. So this is property pane. So from property pane we can know about the components. Just suppose I'm clicking on this component, so it's showing the it's showing here like which type of component this. So this is highlight panel, and here from here you can do the things like follow, unfollow button, show the collapse, so you can do it. So you can see the changes here. Okay, so again just uncheck this. If we are in this component, so we can do, you can do what you want from here. So you can select options like show toast, show card, some okay, and show both. So this section just show the property of the components, and as well as you can add the filter from here. Okay, so for now, so this is all about the Lightning App Builder. Let's create a home page. Sorry, let's customize the home page. So here we have this home tab. I want to some customization in this home tab. So how can I do this? I have go to the gear option, then edit page. So now we are on home page, and then we can customize this page. So I want to customize this page. I want to add some more component over here. So I want to add 2 days task. So I'm just adding the task over here, and if you want to add any tab, so you can also add the tab. So here is the chatter, here is the dashboard, so you can add chatter and dashboard. So let's add the chatter. We added the chatter. See, we added the chatter. Now let's add the dashboard. So in this section we can add the dashboard. So select the dashboard and drop here. So now the dashboard is also added. So this is the way like how we can arrange our page according to our need, and we can remove the components, we can add the components what we want. We can also see the list view. If we want to see the list view, we can also see the list view, but for home page I'm not going to add the list view. You can add trending topics on your home page. So I'm just added trending topic here. So this is the customization, like we can arrange our page according to our need. So here you can see this name of this component showing here. If we click on this, it's showing the name of components like tab. So and default tab is chatter, and we have 2 tabs on this component. First is chatter and second is dashboard. So we can add the thing from here. See, these are the tabs, and these are the dashboard. And if you want to change, so you can change the components from here. Just suppose you want to add something else, so you can directly change from here. Just suppose I want to add detail, so select the detail and click on the done. So you can change this from here also. Just suppose I want to remove these and I want to add chatter here, so just select this. So you can see now this showing details and chatter. First, before it's showing the chatter and dashboard, now it's showing details and chatter. So this is the way like how we can add the home page, how we can customize the home page, and as well as you can add tab here. So you have to click on add tab, then you have to change the field name from here. So you can select the activity, then so this is the way how we can add different things. And if you want to add filter, we can also add the filter, but about the filter we will talk in the next video. So that's all about the app builder. Just save it. So here it's asking about like this, you want to add this page as a org default, so we can add as a org default. Then it's asking about the app, like which for which app you want to apply this. So I'm selecting for the school management, and after that it's asking about the profile, so I'm using standard user. And system admins, all these we will talk about all these in the next video. So let's save this here. So after refreshing the page, you can see the changes here: details, chatter, today's event, and here is the today's task. Here is the performance. So this is the way how we can add the home page, how we can do any customization on home page using the Lightning App Builder. We will talk about the home page, app page, and record page in next video. So that's all in this video. See you in another video. Till then, bye, take care.